Hello everyone friends, I am Sajid and I am back with the display comparison between the Redmi K20 Pro, X2 Pro and the OnePlus 7 Pro device. So all the smartphones are the top end models in their products. So these are the top end products guys, right now the top 3 and devices which I'll be comparing the display comparison between the Redmi K20 Pro versus the X2 Pro versus the 7 Pro device. So where a lot of viewers are asking me to compare the display quality between all these 3 smartphones. So it is a video guys. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. I'll be posting a lot of comparison review videos and a lot of tips and tricks in different my videos. So do check the links in the description for the playlist which contain in detail reviews about all the 3 smartphones available right now. So without any further delay, let's begin the display comparison test right now. So all guys, I got the display specifications of all the 3 smartphones side by side comparison as you can see here. So whereas in terms of the display size, the OnePlus 7 Pro is a clear winner here with the 6.67 inches screen as you can see. So when you compare side by side, X2 Pro and the 7 Pro has got a lot of same features. For example, 90Hz display which is present in the both the phones. And the best advantage is that the X2 Pro has got the 1000 nits maximum brightness guys. This is very good. So recently even I did the sunlight visibility test as well in the X2 Pro. So if you're not watched the video, I'll suggest you to watch the video. So as you can see, both the phones has got HDR10 plus certified, whereas the Redmi K20 Pro has got only the HDR10 certified, that's it. So in terms of the display size, the Redmi K20 Pro is you can easily handle in single hand usage. So whereas the other 2 smartphones will look a little bit heavy in your hand. So when you're trying to use with single hand. And the OnePlus 7 Pro has got one advantage is that it has got a curved display at the edge. So which is not present in the either of the 2 smartphones as you can see here. So as you can see friends, I loaded the same 8K video in all the 3 smartphones right now. So which you can compare side by side, Redmi K20 Pro and the Realme X2 Pro and the OnePlus 7 Pro device. So all the settings are set to the maximum saturation levels and the vivid colors. So overall, if you are interested to watch the videos, I would prefer the OnePlus 7 Pro device guys. So which has a little bit of curved edges and it looks very good. You'll get full screen and experience. And the best advantage with the OnePlus 7 Pro and the K20 Pro is that you won't get any notch area in the screen. So which is very good for the full screen viewing experience. Whereas in the X2 Pro, you'll get a small notch over there, which personally not interested in the notch phones. So overall, in terms of the saturation colors, you can compare side by side clearly the OnePlus 7 Pro on the top and the Realme X2 Pro. So overall, the colors looks very good in both the devices. There is no doubt at all. So let me try to get the focus very close to the phones. So right now you can watch all the 3 smartphones side by side. So in terms of the handling, I feel the Redmi K20 Pro is very small and you can easily handle in single hand usage. So in terms of the display comparison, in the Redmi K20 Pro you got extra higher saturation levels you can increase in the display when compared with the other smartphones where it's restricted. So if you want very bright colors, I would prefer the Redmi K20 Pro phone guys. So which has got very high saturation and high contrast levels in the K20 Pro device. So which is not present in the either of the 2 phones where we cannot increase maximum, but in the K20 Pro we'll get the option to increase the maximum saturation colors. It looks a little bit animated if you try to increase over saturation colors in the Redmi K20 Pro. But overall there's an option for you to do that if you are interested to do. So let me show you, I have increased the maximum brightness in all the 3 smartphones right now. So you can compare guys all the colors between all the 3 smartphones. So which looks better. So overall, I personally feel the Redmi K20 Pro has got more saturation colors, then next to the OnePlus 7 Pro, then X2 Pro device, Realme X2 Pro. So which you may not notice in the camera, but personally when I look directly at the videos, I can easily identify which mobile is higher saturated and not saturated. So overall, in terms of the display quality, I would give the first rating to the Redmi K20 Pro, followed by the OnePlus 7 Pro, and then Realme X2 Pro device. So these only based on my opinion, where the colors are a little bit high saturated. So if you want true to natural colors, then you can prefer the Realme X2 Pro device. So that's it guys, it's a quick video comparison, display comparison between all the three smartphones. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel, SciTech Guru, and don't forget to comment below if you're having any queries regarding the smartphones. Um, so you can see when you look from the sideways, both the phones will be high saturated, but not the Realme X2 Pro device, which is in the middle. You can clearly differentiate the colors here. But still, the X2 Pro device is a little bit brighter, but not as saturated compared to the other colors, other smartphone. So that is guys, this is a quick display comparison. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like the video. See you in the next video guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.